regret not sounding the sirens?
I do not. And the reason why, and
So many people said they could have been saved if they had time to escape. Had a siren gone off, they would have known that there was a crisis emerging. And as we know, so many bodies were found in the ground.
Do you want him to give you the answer, or
I
do you
do,
want to
but I
give?
wanna- I
Well,
wanna
then let
get
him
it out
finish.
there.
Let him finish his answer.
I'm sorry, there's a lot of people.
Well, you're
who
talking
want
and you're not letting him
answers.
talk. If you want to talk, come up here.
I'm ready for the answer.
Then wait.
the sirens, as I had mentioned earlier, is used primarily for tsunamis. And that's the reason why many of them are found, almost all of them are found on the coastline. The public is trained to seek higher ground in the event that the siren is sounded. In fact, had we sounded the siren that night, we're afraid that people would have gone Malka. And if that was the case, then they would have gone into the fire.